Welcome to Camp Gruber Off-Road Park, a 455-acre area located just south of the town of Fort Gibson. This video is the second in a series of videos I am doing on off-road parks within about an hour of Tulsa. This series will document my visits to the parks as well as my reaction as an adventure/dual sport rider to each park. I will be riding and reviewing my street-legal Honda 450L and capturing everything on a drone and GoPro. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this type of content. Camp Gruber is an Oklahoma Army National Guard training facility that covers 87 square miles. They've designated 455 acres as public off-road park. Camp Gruber ORV does have its own website. However, the website says to check the Facebook page, but does not offer a link. It does offer a link to a trail map, but that does not work. I would recommend checking the Facebook page, however. There are special events for crawling these rock steps, both for Jeeps and trials bikes, and other events as well. You would hate to show up to the park and find it full. The most impressive visual feature at the park is the cliff overhanging the river from the first drone shot. However, 99% of the trails are in dense woods invisible to the drone. If I had to sum up the trails in one word, it would be rocks. Even the fast flowy trails eventually end in rock gardens. My skills and confidence in riding rocks came up several levels today just because I had no other choice. Comparing the trails here at Gruber to those of Motorcycle Island from last week's review, Gruber clearly has more rocks. It feels like it has more trails. I did not find any sand like I found last week. I did find deep, water-filled Jeep ruts, which you'd expect with all of the Jeep traffic. But if I had to choose just one park to go back to, Gruber or Motorcycle Island from last week, I think I'd go with Gruber. It just seems like there were more trails. It felt like the trails were more diverse. It felt like there was more elevation change. And did I mention I didn't find any sand? The Honda 450 continued to impress. I've never been on a bike whose suspension could handle the rocks the way it did. And the weight, when I did drop the bike, which you could see later in the video, picking it up is easy. It's nothing like any bike I've ever been on, so very happy with the motorcycle so far. Unlike last week's video, which I overdubbed the entire time, this week I've captured the audio real time, so the rest of this video will be audio captured as I was riding, experiencing the trails for the first time, and it will give you a real idea of what you could expect if you ever go ride Gruber ORV Park. Thanks again for watching.
Because I know of a overlook that's going to make a great opening drone shot, which if all went according to plan, by the time you hear this, you will have already seen the opening drone shot. A lot of rocks. Pretty. Huh. Pretty good steps. This would be a handful on a bigger bike. It's almost a handful on this. The throttle is just a little twitchy still. Makes for a interesting ride. This is what I was looking for. Some drone shots on this. And rocks, 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 and more rocks. That was a slanted rock. Stupid rock. So what happens when you're trying to figure out which way to go instead of watching the terrain. This is nuts. Rocky. It's just all rocks. Guess gonna get better at riding rocks. See where this goes. Steps. Well, I'm hoping there's some trails that aren't just rock gardens, because that's tiring for an old guy. Well, it's not rock gardens. It's a swamp. It's just a swamp. Like a little better, a little nicer trail. But whoa, it's still awful slick. Wow, this is nasty. Uh-oh. That would be a dead end. Or is it? It's not. Maybe not. That looks like it could be deep. It is deep. It is deep. That is deep. I'm now covered in mud. Okay. Tired, but I think I see a line. left. This looks like it's gonna be a long climb. It's a little more open, a little more flowy, but I don't know the trail well enough when I'm gonna land on a rock ledge. Wow. How deep do we think that is? This is not what I wanted to be in. 450 eats it up. It's just a matter of me getting my confidence. Hope this isn't too deep. Seems like if you explore long enough, find some cool stuff, but sure end up on some crap stuff too.